body like that got me getting ideas. You no time for no bad vibes. I think I like her like the trap line. I was trying to find you on my Insta.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K.DOLL. So for today's video, like the title says, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my frontal wig using BOLDHOLD lace glue. So this is my first time using it. I've never used it before. So as you can see, I'm just creating a parting because I wanted a side part. And I'm just like trying to place my frontal, and then I've taken out some piece of hair which is going to be for my sideburns, and I'm using my motions wrap mousse, laying my hair flat, and I'm going in with a hot comb as well. Now I'm just placing my BOLDHOLD lace glue in front of my hairline. You don't want to put it on your hairline because it will pull out your hair. So I put my glue in front of my hairline just so I'm not getting glue on my actual hair, because I like my edges and I'm not trying to lose them. So I'm going in with my blow dryer just to like get the glue all tacky, and you want to do that till it's like basically clear, as you can see, and then you want to go with the second layer and do the same thing again. And I'm just using my rat tail comb just to help me like spread it out properly. I'm now going in with my hairdryer again just to dry it, and I like to press the front of my frontal just to make sure like it's laying down flat and it's not bumpy. And now I'm gonna cut my sideburns. You want to take your time to do this. As you can see, I took my time to do it. It's annoying when you cut it like wrong and then you have like bare natural hair at the side showing, so you want to take your time and do this properly. As you can see, I really took my time. I did not rush to do it. So guys, now I'm going to cut off the lace. Usually I use a very thin scissors, but I couldn't find it, so I just use this really big scissors. But I prefer to use very small scissors when I'm cutting the front of my lace, but I still worked with it and it came out fine. So now I'm doing the other side, and I'm doing the same thing I did the first time. I'm just going to go in with my glue again, spread it out properly, wait for it to get clear, and then glue my frontal down. So guys, I glued down the other side of the wig off camera just because I'd already shown it to you guys when I did the other half, and I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm going in now with my tweezers and I'm just plucking my hairline a bit. As you can see, it makes a difference. You want to pluck. I always say plucking is key. And then going in with my hot comb and my wax stick. This is the K.DOLL wax stick. It honestly keeps your hair laid down flat. So I went off camera and I just like cut the parts that I want to use for like my baby hairs. I'm now going in with my hot comb just to make sure the front is very flat and laid down. You don't want your frontal to be looking bumpy. I'm then going to use the Got To Be black glue. I like this because it's clear, it dries clear, and it's really nice to style your baby hairs with. So I did my baby hairs off camera, but I'm just going to show you guys how I like style my hair in different ways now. As you can see, I was taking off the dry glue in front of my hair. Let me know what you think, guys. And yeah guys, we're done. It's really simple and easy. I think this video is very beginner friendly. And I decided that I wanted to have the curls pop in, so I just went in with my spray bottle which has conditioner and a little bit of oil and water. And as you can see, the curls are nice. As you can see, the curls are really nice, and I really love this look. Let me know your thoughts, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I swear, body like that got me getting ideas. No time for no bad vibes. I think I like her like the trap line. I was trying to find you on my Insta.